Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I will address few issues which the students are currently facing and मुझे DMs आ रही थी कि first issue is many students who have passed their BDS and internship they want to open their clinic in this pandemic time. They are like they have a query, like they are confused whether they should open or not. So there are 2 point of views. सबसे पहली बात तो है कि इफ यू आर ओपनिंग अ क्लिनिक योर ओन नेटिव प्लेस और इन योर ओन रूम, मीन्स इन योर ओन होम, then it is okay, you can open your clinic. But if you are going to open a clinic in a rented place, so you have to pay the rent, right? So that is the thing. In this pandemic, see, patients will not come to the clinic, particularly to a new clinic with they need lot of trust to come to a new clinic, right? पहले आप क्लिनिक खोलोगे और इमीडिएटली पेशेंट आना चालू हो जाएगा, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. सो कीप द मनी विद यू. जितना भी आपने पैसा सेव करके रखा है, अपने पेरेंट्स का या आपका भी, आप सेव करके रखिए. जब ये पैंडेमिक ओवर होने लगेगा, जब प्लेटू कम हो जाएगा, उसके बाद आप अपना क्लिनिक प्लान कर सकते हैं. और रही बात जो लोग की घर पे जिनका खुद का रूम है, क्लिनिक है, तो वो आराम से अपना क्लिनिक सेटअप कर सकते हैं. दैट इज नॉट अ इश्यू एट ऑल. और एक और चीज भी है, वन मोर थिंग इज दैट ड्यूरिंग दिस कोविड पैंडेमिक, लाइक इफ पेशेंट्स आर कमिंग टू द होम ऑल्सो, सो बाय एनी चांस इफ सम ऑफ द पेशेंट हैज कोरोना वायरस और हैज रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम कोरोना वायरस, you don't know, right, which patient has what virus. So that virus can spread to your home, and you can see in the news also, like many people are suffering, even young individuals, they are getting very much sick and they are getting pneumonia, and some people are dying also. So it's quite frustrating during this time कि पैसे नहीं आ रहे हैं, and you will be thinking like मैं अभी तो I'm still young and I'm not able to contribute anything to the society or make any kind of money. So this is not the time to make money. This is the time to stay safe from all the things which are happening around us. And one more thing, the second issue which I want to talk about is nobody is keeping the new interns in their clinic. First of all, the main reason for not keeping any dentist, because people don't want to pay. Like suppose I am having a clinic, I am having a well-established clinic, and already somebody is there in my clinic, because there is so much saturation of dentists. So if I am having one dentist, I won't hire another dentist. I have denied so many people. So they ask me, sir, please keep us, and we want to work for free also, we want to learn work. So I cannot keep in this pandemic, because already in my room there are 4 people, 2 assistants, 2 doctors. Plus if I keep more doctors, they will be crowded, and patient crowd is also there. So if you are having a very big clinic with 3-4 rooms, you can keep 3-4 doctors. But maximum people in India, they are having clinics with 1 room and 1 waiting room, that's all. So in this COVID situation, that is the main reason people are not keeping new dentists or new doctors. So have patience. Surely you will get somewhere in the near future. The other thing is patients also don't prefer to get work from the new dentist right now in this COVID situation. And earlier it was okay, it was cool, no problem, you do scaling. But now the patients are also preferring the main doctor to do all the work, and because they're really scared. Everybody is very scared, right? And if COVID happens, then you know the expenditure, how much the hospitals and the ambulances and everything they're going to charge to you. So that is the main issue. That's why no need of getting frustrated, because you're not alone. Everybody is facing the same kind of situation in this present scenario. And रही बात पेमेंट की, see, new dentist, अभी everywhere patients are less, nowhere work is going on, so it's difficult to pay the rent also. And along with the rent, there are lab expenses, there are assistant fees, electric bills. So people, suppose if they keep you, they have obligation of paying you also, right? ऐसा कोई free में कुछ दिन ही काम कराता है, उसके बाद everybody starts paying eventually. So the thing is कि nobody is keeping now. So this situation is like that. You cannot do anything. Even schools and colleges, and think about those persons who have opened their hotel and small businesses. So that is the thing with the dilemma many people were having. So don't get frustrated. Enjoy your life, whatever you're there at your home. Spend time with your family. That is the only thing you can do. And regarding career, don't think now. When the pandemic gets over, step your foot outside the home. and come out of your comfort zone, then only you can shine in life. So today's video will be short and इतना ही मुझे doubt clear करना था. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and please press the bell icon also so that you can get the notifications whenever I put my video. Till then, have a very great day. Take care.